In this video, I will explain how you can smoothen the edges of these photographs in Photoshop. So you can see that there are three images on the top of this background image, and what I want to do is that I want to smoothen these borders or the edges. So you can see right now it is very sharp edges. So to smoothen these edges, what you have to do is that it's very simple trick. So what you have to do is just select this eraser tool, okay, and then go to the image for which you want to smoothen the edge. For example, I'm going to select this image in this layer panel, and with that image selected or the layer selected, you can just select this eraser tool, and then in here you have to select the brush type. So you have to select this soft round brush, okay. So when you select this soft round brush, what happens is that the edges will be very smooth like this, okay. So very nice effect is applied with that brush. But if you select this different brush, see what difference it makes. So if I select hard round, then see what happens. I'm gonna select another image, this one. So first you have to rasterize this, and then so you can see how sharp it is. So that bloodiness that you see around these edges is not being shown here. The reason being the hardness of the brush is set at 100%. So that is the key thing that you need to remember here. So you have to select the soft round brush, and then everything will fall in place, okay. And similarly you can do it for the other images as well. So for this one as well, first rasterize the layer, and then that's it. Very nice effect is being generated here. That's all. Thanks for watching.